Hi guys, I am Luan Skaggs and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a 100% Dollar Tree mirror. It came out so rich and beautiful. I can't wait to show you how I did it. So if you would like to see how I created the mirror, then come with me and let's get started. To get started with this very beautiful and simple mirror, I picked up these silver feathers from the Dollar Tree. We'll first take a foam board and start by drawing a very large circle. And to draw my circle, I'm using the top of a wastebasket. Now I'm using the first circle as a guide and drawing a wider circle around it so I could have the widest width possible. Now we'll use an Exacto knife to cut out our circle. Now I'm going to be using this 8-inch Dollar Tree mirror in the middle. We'll place the mirror in the center of our foam board and draw a line around it for our guide. There are two sides of feathers. We'll stick the largest feathers on the outside and the smaller feathers on the inside. I'd like the mirror to have a 3D look, so I'll bend the feathers and stick them like this. There are two types of silver feathers. I'm rotating between the one that has the pointy edge and the one that has the wrong edge. And before I move to the second row, there are some spaces in between here that I want to cover up. And I'm going to use the small silver leaves in between these spaces. There isn't a lot of space in between these spaces. So all we'll do is bend our small silver leaf and glue it in between here like this. We'll put down some glue onto the poster board and press the silver leaf into the glue. We'll continue the same process all the way around and then we'll come back. Once we're done gluing the pieces on the outside, we'll continue gluing the bigger pieces on the inside. If you want to make sure that it's completely covered, you could take the little feathers and glue them in the inside like this. We'll continue alternating between these two big feathers, and anywhere that you see it might have empty spaces, you could fill it in with the smaller feathers as we go around. I'll continue this all the way around and then I'll come back. After we're finished, we'll glue the mirror in place. And to hang it on the wall, I'll use this hook that I took off from a Dollar Tree mirror. Now let's hang it on the wall and see how it looks. I love the way that this mirror turned out. It is so rich and so elegant. And it's so amazing that we could use only materials that came from the Dollar Tree and have such a rich and beautiful looking mirror. This is another one of my favorites. And if this is something that you like and it's something that you like to try out, leave it in the comment section down below. You know I love hearing from you guys. And if you like this mirror, you may like these mirrors that are coming up next. So bye for now, stay safe and have a blessed and awesome day. See you in the next one.